All right, today's the day. These are gonna come down one way or another. I just can't take the chance of them coming down in the wrong direction this close to the pool. Especially when we got kids swimming in it and other family members. We're gonna have a party tomorrow. This is Labor Day weekend, and I don't want to risk it any longer. So like I said, they're coming down one way or another. Hopefully, well, I'm sure they will in that direction. But in order to do that, we gotta get rid of this tree, that tree, that tree, and then there's a few others behind there. This is the main one, or one of the two main ones. You can see it's dead all the way to the top, and it has a lot of limbs that could be dangerous. This other one, same thing, a pine tree, and it's even more concerning because it's not only dead all the way to the top. If you look at the bottom here, there is nothing, I mean nothing, that should be keeping that tree standing straight up. So this is the one I'm concerned about getting cut down, because I'm worried about where it's gonna go and how it's gonna react with all that going on. So we will probably try to cut it up above all that crap. I don't know, we'll see. But I want to send it that way. It's already leaning neutral, maybe that direction at the top. But we gotta get rid of these 2-3 trees first, that big one there, and then we'll send this one on its way. I'm not gonna get cute. It's all about safety today, as much as we can be safe, and then get them dropped on the ground, and I'll take care of them this winter. That's the plan. Protect the kids in the pool. So as far as the tools for today, I've got the MS251 Stihl Wood Boss. Just your basic homeowner's chainsaw. Then we've got the big dog, the Stihl MS660 Magnum, which is more of a pro saw. Got the 25-inch bar on it currently. I do have a 32-inch bar, but we're gonna be intricate as far as the cuts we're gonna make today, so I want a little bit more control. Not worried about log size. We'll worry about that when they're on the ground. But today, a couple trees down. Yeah, that looks good.
Yeah.
That iPhone, is that iPhone?
Yeah.
Yeah, I make it look good even.
Yeah.
Nice and vibrant. But anyway, me and Brayton, Outdoor Adventures with Brayton, Phil of Peterson Farms in Nashville, are going to take down a few trees today. At least that's the plan. We always have a plan. It's good to have a plan.
Yes, it is.
We just hope it goes according to plan. Yeah. But you're about to see. Let's find out. Nice poison ivy.
Come on, baby, go down. There we go. Woo! Of course, the first step, be safe. Make a clear path before you cut that tree, so that way you have a clear escape route. You don't want anything to be tripping over or getting in your way. So make sure you make a clear path around that tree. Number 2 down. So far, no incidents. All right, up next is the big one. Let's hope everything goes good. Hey, hey, hey! Go, go!
Right where I wanted to drop it. And it didn't explode or act any different than the other ones, other than it was rotten. All right, got about 3 more to go.
Go! A little more. Whoa! Get out!
I feel great. Have those trees down finally. I've been worried about those for a couple years now. But ever since we put the pool in in the proximity of these trees, if they fell the wrong way. I was always fearful that if the kids were in the pool, one of those trees come down and hurt someone. So anyway, thanks Brayton for your help.
No problem.
And
thanks to the bull rope.
thanks to the bull rope. Picked this up at where? The Hoosier
Hardwood
Festival.
Yep.
Last weekend. 150 foot for what, 90 bucks or something like that? It was on discount because it was Kubota orange. No, just kidding.
That makes sense though.
It was dirty. And so he discounted some of the ropes that had a little dirtiness to them. But I liked it. Kubota orange. If you can see right, you see right there.
I'm surprised it didn't break.
Oh. Kubota orange and Kubota Tractor took down the big pine tree along with the Stihl 660, the MS660. So it ran pretty decent. Just recently had it rebuilt, the clutch pack. But anyway, it's hot now. Time to go get cooled off in the pool.
Yeah.
I think. It's going to be a hot weekend this weekend.
Just remember, if you plan on doing any of this, check your surroundings, be safe, take your time, don't get no rush.
Absolutely. I think the biggest thing I found out was just making sure the whole area was clear around the tree. That's why we went to the extra length of the grapple earlier. And then just before we made the cut, just made sure that that we had the ground all clear so that we could take off and run if we need to. Didn't get tripped up. So anyway, just want to thank you all from Peterson Farms in Nashville.
And
for
Outdoor Adventures of Brayton.
That you stopped in today, and hope you got something out of this. And I'm sure we'll look forward to the comments of what we did wrong. That's okay. They paid just the same. So
that's right.
We appreciate all that, and we do appreciate any safety tips going forward. We're not professionals, obviously, as you can see, but we try to be as safe as possible.
Yeah.
And I think we accomplished that today.
Yeah, and just remember, here in about a month or two, you'll find out why I got in trouble again. So keep up.
That's right.
It's coming.
Pay attention to Outdoor Adventures of Brayton.
And Peterson Farms and
We're heading to the Paul Bunyan, and when the two of us go somewhere, it usually costs one of us money.
Yeah.
And
one money and both in trouble. So.
Yeah, both angry wives. We'll see which one it's going to be this time. So stay tuned, and we'll show a lot of the Paul Bunyan show coming up. We enjoy that show. You ought to make it. You ought to get there. Where is it? Cambridge, Ohio?
Yeah.
Cambridge,
Ohio. And Friday Night Live here at the Fairfield will be at the Fairfield Inn.
Yeah.
Staying at the same place they are. They'll do the Friday Night Live. So
who's that?
Watch that. Back 40.
Back 40 Firewood. That's right. And then we see all the other stars of YouTube out there. The Morgans are usually out there.
Buck and Billy.
Buck and Billy Ray.
Firewood at the Furnace will be there.
Yeah.
Ohio Wood Burner.
Yeah. So they're all out there and more. And it's a good time, fun time. Hope to see you there. So until next time, God bless you all. No more worries here. And the kids are safe. And having fun. So after measuring the aftermath, it was definitely a good 60-foot tree. And that was the whole point, so that it didn't reach that pool, which it would have, and about 5 feet, then some. So now I feel much better. And the kids are safe and having fun. Right, kids? All right.